In this video, you'll learn an advanced beginner tap dance combination to the song Haunted Steps. If you want to get the song and learn the second half of the combo, there are links below. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier with tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump on in. Starting with the right foot, you're going to have dig, step, spank, step, dig, step, spank, step, flap, heel, step, step, stamp. You bet I'm doing that again. That was 6, 7, 8. Dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Flap, heel, step, step, stamp. Now we'll take our left foot and do dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Followed by stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Again, that last part was stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Let's do that entire left side where the left side started with a dig, step, spank, step. Left, 6, 7, and dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Super, my friends. Let's take it top. 5, 6, 7, and dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Flap, heel, step, step, stamp. Left side, dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. One more time, my friends, from the top all the way to there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. From there, your right foot's free. Double crampo roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. Oh yes, I'll show that again. Starting right foot, 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. Again, 5, 6, ready, go. Double crampo roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. From there, your right foot's free. Heel, toe, heel, both toes. Again, that's heel, toe, heel, both. Followed by toe, step, dig. One more time, that's toe, step, dig. Let's connect it from our heel, toe. 6, ready, go. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. Same spot. 6, ready, go. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. Wonderful, my friends. Now we're going to rewind to that double cramp roll and connect all of those new pieces together. 6, ready, go. Double cramp roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. I think we should go from that exact same spot, just like we did. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Excellent, my friends. Let's connect that all from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I think we should give that all another shot and see how that goes. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's try all that with the music. The song is called Haunted Steps. Full disclosure, it is AI created or assisted. I did some tweaks on it. but it is primarily AI created. If you want to get the music, there's a link down below, and a whole lot of other stuff. So we're going to try with music. I'm going to start about 10% under to make sure we're really comfortable with it at the slower speed, and then I'll work us all the way up to the real deal. I'm starting at 10 seconds into the song, and let's give it a shot. But let's slow it down. There we go. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance and not.
If it feels a little slow, just hang tight. We will get to a faster speed. For those of you who are liking this speed, we're going to do it again at this tempo so you can get comfortable. Here we go, from the top, have fun. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
I play with that toe position a little bit. If you want to play with that, you can go cross, out, cross, step, step, dig, dig. It's totally optional. I just play a little bit. All right, I'm going to boost it up about 5% to minus 5%. So we were minus 10, now we'll be minus 5. You'll feel the difference, but it should, keyword is should be manageable. All right, here we go. Try it. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's roll that again at that minus 5% speed. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's dance the night away.
Oh, it's time now. We're going to bump it up all the way to the real speed. Best of luck. You can do it. Let's do it and have some fun. And 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing.
Hey!
Night away. Feel the groove.
We're going to roll that again.
Spooky tunes and eerie sound.
5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
One more time, my friends. Real speed. One more time.
Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Yeah. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing.
Yeah.
Let's dance and
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to do the entire combination. I'm going to do it facing you just so you can see what it looks like from the front. You're not expected to do it with me. If you want more structured content at unitedtaps.com, I've got full lesson series from beginner to intermediate advanced. I've got choreography, combinations, workouts, practice exercises, a little bit of everything, a tap dictionary. So that's where I have my more structured content. And again, you can get that song. There's a link down below if you want to download that. All right, let's see how it goes.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost plays spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance and ride away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Beautiful, my friends. Again, at unitedtaps.com, we have tons of structured content for more freeform like this, and you can learn the rest of that combination. I appreciate you tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.